What is up, guys? Welcome to yet another DaVinci 16 video editing tutorial for beginners. In this video editing tutorial, we're going to be looking at how to render or deliver your videos. If you're ready, let's roll. We've finished editing the entire video. So now you come again to this bottom bar here of DaVinci Resolve. The last button here called deliver or render in some other DaVinci Resolve softwares. Just click on these things that look like a jet taking off. Click on that, and then it's going to bring you to this page. Voila! Now at this point you might say, "Oh my God, everything is going on." Not too much is going on here actually. Assume these are just the clips that you have just been editing, and this is where the streaming goes on. So these ones are not even important. Not important. What's important is this part. This part shows you the video that you've editing, how you've edited it, the final edited video version of it. You can let's drag this the first part here and play and view what you've done. Okay, once you've done that, now it's very simple. Now if you want to deliver or render or download your video to your PC, now you come here to the top right side of DaVinci Resolve. Now you can do custom, you can do YouTube, you can do Vimeo, whatever format you want. Now mostly I recommend you do custom as your default way to download your video. And then of course you're going to get your video title, so give it a title there. Yeah, whatever title you want to give it. And then location here is of course where you want it to be downloaded into. So which folder do you want to download into? Maybe I want it mine just go to desktop there. Okay, then I click save. So that's the location or the directory I want my video to go to. And then make sure this part here, you see this part? Make sure it's always single clip, not individual clips. Okay, make sure this part is marked single clip, never individual clip. Then the final and probably the most important part you want to change is the format. The format is very, very key as far as the video is concerned, because there's some video formats that are difficult to transport or to upload on YouTube. So you're just going to come here to format, then click on that down arrow, and of course the default or the most commonly used and preferred video format is MP4. So select MP4 there. Again, select MP4. Okay, once you've done that, those are the only settings you're going to do here, nothing much. Give it a directory, give it a title, a directory, make sure that it's single, and then give it a format which is MP4. Then you want to click on this button, add to render queue, like that, and then you just click on start to render. Then it's just download it. The DaVinci Resolve software will download your video to that particular location you have shown it. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching that video. And if you want to learn more about DaVinci Resolve, including introduction, uploading videos, images, and other b-rolls, the edit section, adding other videos, adding texts, adding images, dynamic zoom, and how to highlight an area, and how to render deliver your video, then I have included links to these in the description below. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if there's anything you think I have left and you want to know, kindly comment below, and I'll surely make a video on that as well. Adios, amigos. I'm out.